begin with question number 4. If a line intersect two concentric circle, what is concentric circle? A circle with same center. Like अभी ये O is the center and with the same center I have drawn a two circle. एक ये inner circle है and one is outer circle. That is known as concentric circle. So if a line intersect two concentric circle with the same center with center O at A, B, C and D, show that this AB is equal to CD. Understood the question? This is a two concentric circle. The center is O and we have to prove that AB is equal to CD. So it's very simple. We need a construction. Let us draw OM perpendicular to AD. Okay, पहले आप इस पे perpendicular draw कर लीजिए. Let OM perpendicular to AD. Right? This is perpendicular. Now you know that perpendicular drawn from center of the circle bisect the chord. This AD is the chord of the bigger circle. So I can write, since perpendicular drawn from center of the circle bisect the chord OM perpendicular to AD, therefore AM is equal to DM. Isn't it? This is number 1. Similarly, OM is also perpendicular to the smaller circle's chord BC. OM perpendicular to BC. So perpendicular drawn from center of the circle bisect the chord. So therefore BM equal to CM. Give it number 2. Now subtract 2 from 1. So when you will subtract this AM minus BM, you will get AB, and DM minus CM, you will get CD. Hence AB is equal to CD. Isn't it very simple? Now let's solve. So we have TPT. What is given first of all? Concentric circle with center O is given to us, with center O, which TPT, it is given that it is asked that AB is equal to CD, and construction. Let OM perpendicular to AD. Now, since perpendicular drawn through the center of the circle bisect the chord. Okay. Now proof. Since perpendicular drawn through the center of circle bisect the chord. Now by this theorem we can write, now therefore since OM is perpendicular to AD, therefore AM will be equal to DM. Give it number 1. Now similarly we have OM perpendicular to BC, and by the same theorem perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle bisect the chord. If OM is perpendicular to BC, so BM equal to क्या हो जाएगा आपका CM. Give it number 2. Now subtract 2 from 1. Now let's subtract them. AM minus BM. AM minus BM is equal to DM minus CM. Now look it into the figure. AM, see this AM minus BM, you will get AB, and DM, check in your figure, this is DM. So DM minus CM, what you will get? You will get CD. Hence proved.